Hey, to take the screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, we've got three methods. The first one, we can use the buttons. They are on the right side, so we have to click and hold on the power button and the volume down button. Take a look. When you click on them at the same time, you can easily take the couple of the screenshots. The second method is to swiping from the left edge of the screen with our palm, like this. And also the screenshot will be taken. But it's not working always. That's the gesture that sometimes it's not working properly. So for example, you can scroll the screen. But yeah, that's also some kind of the way, for example, if you have any problems with your buttons. And the last way to capture the screen is by opening this notification panel, then finding the screenshot icon. If you don't have it right here, you have to tap on the plus, and here you will be able to take the screenshot. So you have to click and hold it and then drag it right here, then click done, and now tap on this icon and the screenshot was taken. So yeah, right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.